driving?
Yeah.
What do you got there? A bunch of cars? Who gave you those cars?
Is that a monster truck?
Yep, monster truck. Who gave those to you?
Thank you, Mimi.
You're welcome. Did Jimmy give them to you?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Jimmy.
Thank you, Jimmy.
You like those cars? What kind is that?
Orange monster truck.
Orange monster truck. That's neato. Where's the ambulance?
Ambulance.
Oh my.
Oh.
Where's the fire truck?
Where's the garbage truck?
Where's the garbage truck?
Garbage truck.
Ah. Fire truck.
Garbage truck.
Where's the money truck?